Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by clarifying the concept. A lava brick is a part that looks molten and deals damage on touch. Open Roblox Studio and create a new baseplate place. Ensure you run and play solo to test. This tutorial requires one script per lava object, a surface appearance or decal for orange glow, and a bool value heat tag to mark damageable surfaces. We avoid plugins and use only native instances. Keep one backup copy of your place before modifying parts, so you can recreate a part and size it to 4x4x1 studs as a starting lava brick. You can scale later. Set material to neon and color to RGB 255, 85, 0 for a bright molten hue. Optionally add a surface appearance with a noise texture and metallic roughness around 0. 2. To simulate flow. Anchor the part if it should not move, or weld it to a model. Insert a bool value named heat inside the part and set heat value to true so scripts can detect damageable lava by name and state, avoiding tag APIs. Add a script child of the lava brick with a touched connection that first verifies the touched parent has a humanoid and the part contains heat with value true. Use a table to debounce by player and run a loop that applies 10 damage every 0. 5 seconds while the player remains touching. Break the loop if humanoid. Health is 0 or connection ends. Clean up debounce entries on touch ended. Test in play solo and server. You should see 10 damage per 0. 5 seconds while the character stands on the lava brick.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.